Introducing Omolaramide, popularly referred to as the Life and Brand Strategist. She is the lead consultant and facilitator at Bridge Brands and PR, the intellectual property owner of Inner Essence Factory.
Hello, how are we doing today? My name is Omolaramide and I'd like us to talk about next steps. Sometimes the destination feels so far ahead and it feels like you're never going to attain it, especially when you don't know what the next step should be. Clarity comes with action. As soon as you take that next step and you're doing it, then subsequent steps then becomes clearer for you. What is that next thing you need to do concerning your business, your relationship, your wellness? Pause. Is your own next step to get people to set you up online, automate your lead generation, conversion and sales funnel for you so that you can make more money online? Or is your own to cut costs and abate? If you would like to brainstorm with someone on the next steps for your business, strategies to stay afloat, cut costs, or set up your business online, please feel free to contact me. I'd like to hear from you. See you in my next videos. Thank you.
Thank you for listening. For more details on Inner Essence Factory, please visit www.omolaramide.com.